Good morning, everybody out there. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload another video. Guys, I'm just now starting my day. I just woke up, so I ordered some food from Walmart, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna cook for breakfast because my food won't be here until between 11 and 12 o'clock. So I gotta see what I'm gonna cook for my little man, because my toddler is such a picky eater. I mean, he's really a picky eater. So I'm gonna figure that out. Probably some pancakes. Yeah, he does good with pancakes sometimes. Sometimes. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back because I'm gonna start my day. Get myself fixed up, face, get myself dressed. Gotta take a bath, but you know how that goes. All right, so I'll see y'all back in a few. Don't y'all go nowhere. Don't y'all go nowhere. Come over here, nigga booty. Eli? Yeah. Can you say electrician? Can you say electrician? You gotta wait till we get power. And I'll warm it up for you, okay? Okay. Alrighty. And you say chocolate milk? Say chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate. Say chocolate. Milk. 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 Oh, Dinka. You want me to tell you when it's back on? Okay. Get back. Come on. Sorry. You always say sorry and end up doing it again.
Clean it up if we can. The bulbs that run out probably too bright.
So the water. Eli, thank you.
There we go. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Let's get that sorted out.
Well, the electrician is gone and we have power to the rest of our house. Yes, Jesus is so good all the time. If you did not know, now you know. Okay, the electrician just left. And let me tell y'all something. I feel so happy. You just don't know. My electricity been out for about 3 days. And all my food went bad in my refrigerator. Oh my God. You talking about wasting money. And listen, he was supposed to get here November the 4th. He called me. He said that he had an opening today. Because I didn't have no power in my bathroom, no power in my son's room. Half of the power in the kitchen was gone. Oh. Let's take a minute. Yes! Oh! And I get to go to the grocery store and get some food. Let me tell y'all something. Going to the grocery store, getting some food, I don't care if you have $1, $5, $10. Bringing food into your house is a good feeling. Now, my food was like, in my refrigerator was depleted, okay? I had to throw out everything. But I did have some canned goods. I had some beans. I had bread and all that other stuff. So we were still eating good. Majority of the time we called DoorDash. But we were still eating good. Okay, I'm about to start on lunch. Lunch. So I'll be back. I'll be right back, okay? Stay tuned. You better be back. You better be back. Come back. Support your girl, all right? Hey, you guys. Thank you for watching my channel, Destiny Within. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for giving me the time of day. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that thumbs up and please hit that bell so you get to know when I upload another video. Yeah, it's such a pleasure to be on YouTube to explore, you know, the things that I like and things I don't like. You know what I'm saying? It's fun, you know. So I'm so tired. I had took my little boys to zoo today, so I'm extremely tired. I had no sleep at all. None. But thank you for supporting me. If you have not done so, again, please subscribe. Support your girl. I need all the support I can get. Thank you, and one love.